Hi, this is Dr. Bragg from the Spine Orthopedic Pain Center in Norfolk, Virginia with a tip for a pain-free Friday. As we enter into the new year, I want you to put your health first and foremost. So write down, what are your health goals? What you want to accomplish, when you want to accomplish it, the time frame is important. And most importantly, what's holding you back? Take time to think about why you didn't reach your health goals last year, and then think about your strategy. But don't think about and concentrate on the strategy initially. Focus on what you want, why you want it, when you want to accomplish it, and what's holding you back. I look forward to giving you a tip again next week as you move into a splendid new year. This is Dr. Bragg from the Spine and Orthopedic Pain Center in Norfolk, Virginia with a tip for a pain-free Friday. Happy New Year.